If a gas occupies a volume of 400 cm cube at a temperature of 400 Kelvin and a pressure of 1 atmosphere, at what temperature and pressure would its volume be 200 cm cube? Option A is 800 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. Option B is 800 Kelvin and 0.5 atmosphere. Option C is 200 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. Then option D is 200 Kelvin and 0.5 atmosphere. To solve this question, we are going to make use of the general gas equation. So let's solve the question on the board. So we go as follows. The general gas equation is P1V1 all over T1 is equal to P2V2 all over T2. Let's divide the board into 2. So from the question, our P1 is equal to 1 atm. We don't know our P2, so we are looking for the P2. Our V1 is equal to 400 cm cube. The V2 is equal to 200 cm cube. The T1 is equal to 400 Kelvin. And the T2, we don't also know our T2. So we have 2 variables here. We have 2 parameters that we have to find. So at this juncture, someone might get confused. How do I proceed with this since I don't know what P2 is and I don't know what T2 is? I'm going to show you a very simple method you can easily use to solve this. Instead of going through the long process of probably substituting in your answers into the equations until you get the one that best fits the answers, until you get the one that best fits the values given to you in the question. No, don't go through that long route. Let me show you how you can easily solve this. So substitute in the values given into the formula we have on the board. Our P1 is 1 atm, so 1 atmosphere multiplying the V1 is 400. So we have 1 multiplying 400 over our T1 is what? The T1 is 400 Kelvin. Is equal to, the P2 is, we don't know the P2. And what is our V2? Our V2 is 200 cm cube all over, the T2 is what? We don't also know the T2. So we are going to find the P2 and the T2. Simplify the left hand side, and to do that we have the 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 4 into 4. Then we'll end up with 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1 is equal to